Dracaenas or dragon plants are the absolute easiest to care for, but brown leaf tips, leaf drops, and yellow dry leaves are major issues that discourage us from adding this plant to our collection. So here, I'm going to highlight 3 important points about growing and caring for the Dracaenas that will help to turn the plants healthy and lush. So let's dive in. All varieties of Dracaenas or dragon plants are sensitive to overwatering. Their roots and stems are thick and can store water. Long-term soggy or saturated condition of soil rot the thick roots, and as symptoms, both older and younger leaves start to show brown soft leaf edges and start dropping leaves drastically. Whenever watering the Dracaenas, let the soil dry out in between waterings, and water when 80% soil feels dry or a few inches of the surface soil layers feel dry. Avoid frequent watering and water thoroughly. Also ensure you are not using an oversized pot. Here, oversized means a pot that is larger than the root ball. Furthermore, the pot should have enough drainage holes. Use very well-draining succulent soil. I have a detailed video about succulent soil mix recipe, link in the description box and I button. Also, ensure good airflow and keep the plant in a bright, warm place. These will help the plant to utilize water and reduce the chances of overwatering. Most of the Dracaena varieties are sensitive to cold temperatures. This plant is native to warm climates and prefers temperatures between 15 and 27 degrees Celsius or 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, humidity below 25% causes dry leaves issues. So in the summer, the plant will grow, but in winter, it prefers protection from intensive cold temperatures. So keep the plant away from a drifty environment and keep it indoors in a warm place under grow lights during winter. A common problem with Dracaena is brown-yellow leaf tips. It can appear even to take proper care of the plant. The most obvious reason can be the water you are using. Tap water contains harsh minerals such as the ions of chlorine, fluorine, and sodium. Such minerals cannot evaporate through leaves, are trapped in the leaf tip cells, burst the cells, and ultimately cause the brown leaf tips. If your tap water is also containing harsh minerals, then try to use filtered water or distilled water or rainwater. It will recover the problem over time. So these are a few points. The plant is sensitive to overwatering, so only water when the plant needs. Water with filtered or distilled water if the tap water of your region contains harsh minerals. And protect the plant from cold temperatures during the months of winter. If you want to learn in-depth care for all varieties of Dracaena, then check the video that is displayed on the screen. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.